The Vixen Horns Air Raid Hand Crank Siren, model VXS-1200MBR, is a heavy-duty, manually operated siren designed for a range of applications, both emergency and recreational, producing an impressively loud and powerful sound that can be heard from a mile away and beyond. This siren is an effective attention getter in any situation. The universally recognized emergency warning sound, combined with a shutter mechanism that creates distinct wailing tones, makes it possible to assign different sounds to various emergency scenarios, enhancing its utility in critical situations. Constructed with high-quality materials, the siren features a robust metal housing and rail stand that ensures durability and long-term performance. The internal red blades, also made of metal, add to the siren's strength, providing reliable operation during use. This premium build quality means you can depend on this siren for years to come, whether it's for emergencies or as a fun noisemaker at events. The versatility of the Vixen Horns VXS-1200MBR is one of its standout features. Its sturdy construction and adjustable volume make it suitable for a variety of uses, both indoors and outdoors. It's perfect for sporting events, parties, concerts, camping trips, and other recreational activities. Additionally, its effectiveness as an emergency warning device is invaluable in situations where electricity is unavailable, making it an essential tool for locations like factories, schools, large halls, and farms. Installation and usage of the VXS-1200MBR are straightforward. The manual siren is easily clamped onto the included rail stand, which holds it securely for ease of use. The siren can also be mounted upside down for convenient storage and transport. The hand crank operation is user-friendly, allowing anyone to generate loud, attention-grabbing sounds with minimal effort in terms of appearance. This vintage-style air raid siren is painted in a striking red color and boasts a military-style design that adds to its appeal. Weighing 18.45 pounds, it is solid yet manageable, with dimensions of 30.31 inches in height, 14.69 inches in width, and 14.57 inches in depth when mounted upright. When mounted upside down, it measures 20.5 inches in height, 13 inches in width, and 14.57 inches in depth. Overall, the Vixen Horns Air Raid Hand Crank Siren VXS-1200MBR is a reliable, high-quality siren that delivers exceptional performance. Its loud, clear sound, durable construction, and versatile applications make it an excellent choice for both emergency situations and recreational use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.